What is the name of your shop?
Yes.
This is for the people in New York.
New York.
New York City.
Yes.
What is the name of your place?
This.
How do you say that?
Yeah.
Kuru, Kumuz.
Kurucumuz Şekerci and Candy Cafer Erol.
Ah, beautiful. You have so many beautiful things here.
Saat kaç? Ali bak sallama, saat 5. Tamam ya. Tamam. Hadi eksperi yaz hadi.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah, have a good one.
Bye.
Yeah.
Photo.
Photo, yeah. If you're ever in Kadıköy, this is the place you have to come visit for all of your sweets. Have a good one. Thank you. Yeah, take care. Back in Kadıköy. Nice old Christian church. I'm sure it's now a mosque. Positive of it. Well, we don't know. We still have the iconography up. Very cool. So we're going on recommendation to a store. Looks like it might be right ahead. And then we'll go back to the market and get whatever else we need there. Whether it's birds, pets of any sort, pickled vegetables. A long time ago there used to be restaurants. No one knows when they'll be back. Maybe 10 years. Let's see. I think we're almost close. Let's check it out. Kadıköy Brat, organic and natural. Look at this. They got all sorts of things here. Let's see what they have. So the shopping is going great. We have a whole bunch of food, fresh fruit, fresh everything. Oh, we need olives. We gotta get some olives. What kind of olives are good though? Let's get the pistachio cake first, and then get the olives, and see what that leaves us with. The salep was a lot cheaper than we thought, so we got a whole bunch of that. Fresh fish. I think it's the next. So the next road down. We're right back where we started. How does that work? Wow. Or maybe it's the same church from a different angle. No? We went up here, around the corner. Alright, so that way is back to where we want to go to the things. We need to go back this way. Looks like it's still a church. Beautiful pottery. Now we gotta get that pistachio cake. And then I think we're done for the day. And it's taco party time. So let's get the pistachio first and then come back for olives and see where we're at. We gotta burn all of the lira. And we should be good. Lots of nuts. Oh shit, we gotta get pistachios. Fuck. Alright, so I don't know if the olives are gonna make the cut. We need pistachios and pistachio cake. Let's see what we can do. Hello. Hello.
Sen ikramını yaparsın Cengiz abi. Sen ikramını yaparsın.
Ne kadar pistachio? This is the good? Which one's best?
This one there.
This one's the best? Okay. Alright, so we got a quarter kilo of pistachios, a quarter kilo of mixed nuts. I'm looking for the pistachio helva. It's so... I just saw it earlier today. And we're almost out of lira, so we're successful in using all the lira. They might not have it. We already went there. So let's go give our business somewhere else. Oh, let's try up here again. So we just need pistachio helva. The olives. I'm not an olive specialist. I mean, who am I to fucking tell which olives are what? So I think it's just that one. Yeah, so let's go back. I saw it earlier today, so I know it exists. We need some pistachio helva. Save our lives. It was 17 lira. We got 30 and change. So I should get 2 of those. What do we get for Neela? I don't know. Shit. Everyone wants gifts. So we'll try one more time. And then I think we're done. So let's give it another look. One more run. I saw it earlier today. Next to the olives. So, more pistachio helva. Let's see what we can find. Could have sworn it was right here. Let's just see if we can find it. It was here? No. Bila, 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 bila! This is it. That's a big block. We have exactly enough for... Let's see how much we can buy. There's 33 right there. I think we have about 35, so let's do that. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so we got the helva. It was 35. I said I had 31, and it's okay. The price is okay. So we got a big block of that. We got a whole bunch of stuff. No room for olives. I think it's time to hit the metro and head back. Maybe have a cigarette, relax for a second. And we hypothetically could walk back. Let's see what our battery life is. We're at 57%. Oh, it's nice just to sit down, isn't it? For a long day of haggling. No, we're not really professional hagglers. Welcome to Kadıköy, one of the coolest places in the world. I've stayed here several times, and if I was to choose a neighborhood to live in, this would be it. This is just like the market area. Like the whole area is beautiful. That's actually where I'm staying, in the outskirts of Kadıköy. So let's take a break, smoke a cigarette. All right, so we ended up getting the olives. We got some cheese as well, and a bottle of Rocca. Why not? It's Christmas time, right? Everybody needs a gift this time of year. You can only be in Kadıköy once every now and again. So, what else are you gonna do? Sounds just like my phone. All right. So now, look at this. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is coming to town. We got all the things on the list and more. But it is. Live only once. We got doner kebab. If I wasn't going for a taco party, I'd dig right into that. So, back to the seaside, into the metro. Let's get some good video. What it's like to go underground in Kadıköy.
Ama ikiye bölün ama bir oyuncak bir tane.
Valla ben 2 tane böyle durağım var burada.
Metro is right this way. Let's do it.